If you've spent any time on YouTube searching for the right solar system or inverter for an off-grid application, you've likely encountered no shortage of influencers claiming their products are the best on the market. The problem is that many of these claims aren't supported by any real engineering experience. In most cases, the people making them have no formal background in solar system design, manufacturing, or repair. Nor do they possess or even begin to know how to operate the lab-grade test equipment required to verify performance under real-world conditions. They're not engineers or technicians, and the friendly tone is part of the pitch. Their job isn't to help you make the right decision, it's to move product. If saying whatever it takes gets you to click their discount code so they can earn their sales commission, that's exactly what they'll do. For the past 27 years, we haven't reviewed solar products like our competitors do on YouTube. We tear them apart. Every product we consider is tested down to the component level, not just given an amateur visual once-over or a single feel-good performance test. Our test facility is equipped with state-of-the-art lab-grade instrumentation, and nothing we sell gets a free pass. If a product can't survive repeated real-world abuse, it doesn't make it into our warehouse. Period. The products used in our DIY solar systems not only met our strict standards, they exceeded them. From electrical stability and thermal performance to component quality and long-term reliability, this is the kind of engineering we rarely see anymore. That's why we offer these products with confidence under our DIY solar brand. No hype, no shortcuts, just proven power you can trust. We added music to this video to keep it engaging, unlike a high-frequency inverter struggling and failing to start an air conditioner.
We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, racking, and batteries in our DIY solar systems. You'll never find one of those cheap, high-frequency transformerless inverters that everyone else is selling in our systems. And you'll never have to worry about our much safer, low-frequency transformer-based inverters damaging your home's appliances, as our competitors' transformerless, high-frequency inverters can. Bring us the very best off-grid solar quote that you've received and watch us blow that quote out of the water, while we provide you with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance, top name brand products.